How we doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Gav the Game. I hope you've all had a really good Christmas, been enjoying the holiday season, been eating a lot of roast and playing a lot of games, hopefully, like I've been doing. Just doing a quick little video today to show you the Philips Hue strip lights that I've got running around the gaming room, how it all works, the software that you need to use, and also the hardware you need to use. So I've got the strip lights here, and I've also got a 10-meter extension attached to it. You're also going to need to use a Philips hub as well, which is really important because that's how you're able to control the lights remotely, one through your phone or your computer or whatever it is you're doing. Once you've got all that set up, you can then connect it and have it in sync with your PC, your TV, your games console, whatever you want, or even just in general around the house. So I'll stick around and carry on watching the video, and I'll show you exactly how I've set up my light system here in my room and the hardware I've used and also the software. So stick around the video, and I will be leaving in the description of the video a link to all the products I've used and where you can find them and things like that. If you have any questions, please do feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I'll try my very best to get back to you and help you out. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Let's go. So hey guys, this is the Hue Bridge, which you need to connect the lights remotely, just a power cable and a LAN that needs to go directly into your router. This is sold separately and doesn't come with the strip lights, but you need it in order for it to work in sync with the videos. So as you can see behind my table, I've got these strip lights running all down the desk. Now it's held down by 3mm double-sided tape, quite strong stuff. The LEDs themselves are of really good quality. These strip lights can bend easily, so you don't have to have any worries or issues about bending it around corners. As you can see, I've got it bent around the entire desk. I am using a 10-meter extension, which is plugged in as well. This goes up to a total of 30 meters. And as you can see, it's very flexible and bendy. Great LEDs, great quality. Philips Hue definitely do the best strip lights. And I've got it running around the entire length of the desk. That's all it is. Showing you the Philips Hue Bridge that you're going to need to use to power all your Philips Hue lights. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the software that you need to use. Now the software is a free to use software from Philips. It's called Hue Sync, and that is exactly how I'm using it to pretty much get my PS5 to be in sync with the strip lights around the room, so when I'm playing games and things like that. I'm going to go ahead now and show you pretty much what the app actually looks like and how it actually works with the TV and the PS5 and things like that. So this is the app, guys, I'm using. It's the Philips Hue Sync app. It's a free to app use, and all I'm going to do is select the games part here in the middle, and I'm going to put intent, and this button here says start light sync. So once I hit that, you can see it's gone dark. Now I'm going to then toggle this into full screen mode. This is Elgato 4K capture card software. Now as you can see, the monitor is actually plugged into the computer, and the PS5 is nowhere near the strip lights. It's all connected via Elgato HDMI into the PC, then into the computer, and then whatever is on the screen there. So as you can see now, if I just go along, so that's Cyberpunk, you can see it's quite yellow looking. It's gone a little bit more red color, and then we'll go again to Kakarot. There we go. So as you can see, that's all it's doing. Whatever's on the TV is just being in sync with the strip lights, and that is just by having the app here, the Sync app here, which you can see here, games, intent, and it says start light sync. That is all that I'm using, and you can also set it up for video, games, again, music, and whatever I've got on the monitor, it is going to be in sync with the strip light. So that's my Elgato. As soon as I close that off, watch what's going to happen. Close that down, it goes automatically to white. So whatever's on here, the strip lights will follow. That's pretty much how it all works.